Hey folks, this is Wesley billion dollar virgin here. Guess what? A lot of people right now are using this cool website. It's brand new and they're making a bunch of money. And we're talking about just using your phone. So listen, if you're on your phone right now, please take it out and because you're gonna need it, okay? Listen, if you have an iPhone, a Galaxy phone, T-Mobile phone, you can do this from your app, hanging out on the beach. If you tag many people below, I'm gonna give out some free cash apps. In the last video, I gave out like $150. So I wanna give out more money. The more that you tag in this video as you're watching it right now, I'm gonna bless you with some cash app. First step is to go to a site by the name of enrollapp.com. Again, that is enrollapp.com. Enrollapp.com is basically a website that you're gonna take tests. That's it. Does that make sense? You're gonna take tests from anywhere in the world. And listen, it's not a math test. It's not a history. It's nothing difficult, but it's just a test you take from your iPhone while you're in class. This is great for teenagers, to be honest with you, because you can just have your iPhone take tests and get paid a bunch of money. Now I know the question, well, Wesley, how much money can you make? Let me show you here. I typed it in, Enroll App Review, right? How much money can you make from here? So they pay you $10 to $60 per test here. Oh, I'm sorry, that's the wrong website here. Here we go. What is Enroll App? Here it is right here. If I type in Enroll App right here, how much money you can earn? Is it legit? Nope, it's not. See, it's not a scam. It's real. It works. Just want to prove to you guys that it's actually people making money with this application. So honestly, you can make about $60 per test. That's a lot of money. And like I said before, I'm gonna walk you through this. Okay, is that cool? Smash the like button if you would like me to walk you through this step by step. All right, let's do it if you're ready. So listen, I'm gonna use the desktop version. You can use your mobile phone. I'm gonna use the desktop version because I am on my phone recording this video for you to make money online fast. Can you guys hear me? Smash the like button. All right, listen. So you basically go to register right here. Click the register word here, okay? And you're gonna type in your email address here, okay? Now, I already have an account, but you put your email address and your password there. Does it make sense? That's all you need to do to get started here. So what I'm going to do is, if you guys are letting me go through, make sure you just do this right now with me while you're watching the video to the very end, okay? Hit the sign in button here, and it's so simple to do it. I'm going to log in, okay? Click the remember me button here, okay? Sign in. It says you have to confirm your email address. Okay, cool. So I'm going to go to my email address here. I'm going to hit a refresh. And listen, guys, you got to check the spam because sometimes it goes to spam. So let's check our spam right here to make sure we get that activation link. And I just wanted to just do it step by step here so you can see the entire process. Confirm email address. So I'm done. Now let me log in. Are you with me? Comment below if you're with me. I just want to know if you're with me or not, okay? You see here, you're going to put in your first names. Now you need to walk. I want everybody to do this with me, okay? Wes, my name is Wes. My name is Virgin. And yes, I am a virgin. Like the button right now. I want you guys to smash the like button if you're a virgin as well. I'm gonna get no likes on this video probably. Here we go. Motorcycle. Just the thing is, I want you to watch me do this because I know some of you have a very difficult time of understanding how this works. So I said, you know what? Let me show my peeps some love and let me do it with them, okay? Now listen, this is very important because if you don't do this step right, well, you won't get approved. So I want you to, how I answer these questions, you have to answer them just like this. If not, you won't get any tests. You won't take any tests, you won't make any money, okay? That makes sense? I found a way how to get approved every time, all day. Doesn't matter your age, doesn't matter your education level. Listen, just do exactly what I do. Does that make sense? Okay? Just model exactly what I'm doing here, and you're gonna be very excited. I'm pretty sure you're excited right now. So you have to click on the green button that says, I accept the challenge here, okay? 13%, okay? Let's do this. All right, look at this. PayPal email. Now listen, this is important because this is the email that they're gonna pay you to your PayPal account. They pay you to your PayPal account. PayPal's amazing. I know you're feeling good right now because they're gonna deposit money into your PayPal account once you finish the test. Does that make sense? So this has to make sense. And guys, pay attention. Don't look at any naysayers below in the comment section. Don't look at the scammers below. It is people out there that are negative and they're broke people. Broke people never want you to win. Never forget that. Broke people do not want you to win because they're not winning. So don't focus on the negativity. Focus on the guy that's trying to help you, okay? All right, so look. I'm going to put a fictitious email here, not a real one. But you need to put your actual PayPal account because that's how you get paid. Makes sense? Oh, that's already registered. Let's just do this. Let's see if I can get that to go through real quickly here. There we go. Is everybody with me? What language do you speak fluently? Now, check it out. Understand, this is like your application to get approved. So if you do this incorrectly, then you won't make any money. But if you do it right by listening and following my instructions, okay, big head, you're going to be good to go, okay? So listen, if you speak more languages, you're great. But if you're a little bit slow like me, I speak English and a little Spanglish, right? Someone with Spanish as well. You know, ¿Cómo estás? 1, 2, 3, mi amor. That's it. All right. See here, right here? I'm going to put English as my native language as well. Continue here. And you need to put in your phone number. Now, listen, you need to put in your actual phone number right here, okay? You need to actually put in your actual phone number. Me, I'm going to put in a fake phone number because I love you guys, but you can't be calling me. Seriously. I already get weird calls all the time to my phone. I have like 3 phones. So you guys can't call me yet. I'm sorry. You know, you can't. But so you put in your phone number here, hit continue. Oh, invalid phone number. Hold on. Let me do it again. Give it a second. And the great thing about it, it's like worldwide, right? It's all over the world here. Anybody can do this basically. All right, let me see what's going on here. All right, let me see. Somebody give me your phone number. 713-733-4343. I know this is somebody's number, right? All right, here we go. Boom, it worked. You're going to select your country here. I'm United States of America. I'm in Texas, baby. H-Town here. Are you guys with me? I'm showing you how to get approved. You got to make sure you pay attention. This is how you make money online fast, okay? When is your availability? Now, listen, some people that are slow, they'll put no. Why would you put no? Because you want to make money fast and now. So you want to make sure that you're available for the test. So you want to make sure it's yes, because if you hit no, then you won't get any tests. And that means you won't make any money. Does it make sense? All right. So what gender are you? I am a male, okay? My birthday is January the 16th. Make sure you guys give me a birthday gift as well. And we're going to put my year. We're going to say I'm a young guy, you know, because I'm young. 1996. Yes, I did. I did that. Hit continue here. Now, this is important. What is your highest level of education? Now, I know some of you guys like me, you barely got out of high school. But listen, if you want to get tests, you need to put college graduate. Just do it. It doesn't matter because it goes into a system. You're going to get approved. Just put that you went to college. It doesn't matter if you were in college or never been there. Just do it. Does that make sense? And for everybody to say, well, Wesley, I'm lying. First of all, you lie every day of your life. You lie to your boss when you're trying to get a job. You lie on your resume stop it. All right, we got to make money here. So what is your day job? My day job is, look, I'm working full time. Okay, you want to click that as well. What industry are you in? So the thing is, you need to choose the industry that you're in right now. Right, I'm just going to click anything right here, but you need to choose what industry that you're in or the industry that you would like to be in. Does that make sense? And if I was you, I would add many different jobs, because if you do that, then you're highly likely to get more tests. Does that make sense? You're highly likely to get more tests. And like I said before, if you guys want some free money, just tag people below and you get free money. I'm just going to give it away all night because I'm in the giving mood, because I love you and I know you love me. All right, so show me some love here. Okay, hit continue there. Top skills here. You want to go through and put all your skills, whatever your skills are. You want to click and add as many skills as humanly possible. Okay, You can add many of them. Hit continue here, okay? How do you make money? Okay, a lot of your salary, some of your contract, hourly. So what I do is I'll put salary, contract, and hourly, right? And I'm gonna put, I make $100,000 per year. And that's what I want you to do. You know, I know what you guys thinking. Well, Wesley, I don't make $100,000, but you will. Does that make sense? One day you will make $100,000, okay? And then when people see that, this website here, you're more than likely to get people to give you tests so you can make money. Does that make sense? Okay? We're not lying. We're just creating the truth. We're formulating the truth here, okay? So here we go. Boom, continue here. What are your top hobbies? Put in your hobbies here. You know, whatever you want. You put all your hobbies. If I was you, I would add as many as humanly possible here. Hit continue here. How would you describe your computer proficiency? Put advanced. I understand that some of you are beginners, but if you want to get tests sent to your inbox so you can make money over and over again, then hit advanced, okay? How many hours you spend per day on the internet? Just put 6 or more. Many of you already do that. What devices can you take the test on? You're going to choose mobile and desktop, okay? Like I said before, this works very well on mobile. I mean, you can really milk it on mobile. Like, you're not going to be rich, but you can make enough money that you'll be able to pay your car note, right? Your rent, things of that sort, okay? Finish registration here. Now, oh, I got approved. Did everybody get approved? Did everybody get approved? Okay? Did everybody get approved? I'm just curious. Smash the like button. If you did this with me step by step, did you get approved? If you did not, that means you didn't follow the freaking instructions, big head. I mean, watch the video again so you can get approved. Take me to my dashboard. Now, you have to understand this. Now, if you look below here, you got 0 tests, but don't worry, they're working hard to get tests. But in the meantime, you need to answer these questions here, okay? Have you ever been heckled as a comedian? No, right? So what I'm gonna let you do is, I'm gonna let you go through all these questions yourself. And once you finish that, then within 24 to 48 hours or 72 hours, you'll start to get tests. Does that make sense? Now, how many of you can do that right now? How many of you are able to do that right now? Okay? How many of you are able to do that right now? That's all you got to do. Are you recruited? Just start taking the test right here, right? Keep going, because once you finish this, and don't skip the question, because you want to make sure a role who is going to pay you to your PayPal account, you need to go through all these questions, and then within 24 to 72 hours, you'll see tests start to show up. Like I said before, they'll pay $60 to $100 per test, and they're freaking amazing. Listen, smash the like button if you got any value. Now, does anybody that's listening to my voice would like to earn an extra $10,000 in the next 45 days? I want you to open your eyes and look close. Okay, I'm gonna be very transparent here. This is what I want you to do. I want you to go to wesleyvirgin.com/online help. And this is what I do to help people basically become financially independent, okay? You're going to see a site just like this. You're going to see Ty Lopez in the back. He's saying some great things about me because I've earned over $30 million plus in the past few years because I just know how to create products very fast, quickly. And just like I taught you how to do this in that video, right, on the rollout, I can teach you how to make $10,000 every 45 days flat. Does that make sense? All you need to do is go to the site right here. Screenshot it. Screenshot that, folks. And I'll leave a link in the description below. Go ahead and check it out. I just want to be honest with you. Listen, if you're a lazy person, do not click that link. If you're a person that's just going to BS, do not click that link. If you're expecting something from nothing, do not click that link. I'm not going to help you, okay? I'm only going to help the people who backs are against the wall, who's wanting to have a desire to leave their job, but they're looking for a way out. Go there. I'll leave the link in the description. Like I said before, if you tag people below, I will right now. I'm going to select people. If you're tagged several people, the most people, if you're tagged in the comment section below, then all I'm going to do, I'm going to send some cash apps and I'm going to leave a comment right under your comment. You send me a DM and I'm going to send the cash app today and tonight. And here's the website, guys. You got it? Go there. If you need my help, if you want mentorship, there's the site to go to. Grab it tonight and let's get to work. Hey, this is Wesley, $1 Billion Virgin. Much love. Let's get it, baby.